Hi there. I like to try to do things myself and experiment a little bit. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So what I'm trying to do today is to make a chicken kind of a box out of a tire. So let me take you through the steps and kind of show you what I've done so far. First thing I had to do is I had to take the actual tire off of this wheel. It was not easy. There's got to be an easier way of doing it. Maybe taking it in and letting a professional take it off of the actual wheel. So I did get it using a cutoff tool and ground through it. So then I had to cut it into two parts. After that, I needed to take the inside part of it out. And you can see this here. I took this out. It has the metal right in through here. And that way it'll be bigger for the chicken. I probably should be taking this one out too, but I'm running out of steam. And I'm thinking once I put this on the wall, it'll spread that out enough and give the chickens a place to go. Okay, so now I'm in the chicken coop and I have my half wheel here and I put some screws on the end. I originally was going to bolt it up here, but it'll take less room away from the chicken coop if I inset it. The only problem with that is this right here may be sticking out so far. Yeah, look at my hands, nasty. But I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to line this with some sawdust. Some people use straw or whatever. I've been using sawdust because we seem to have plenty of it on the farm this year. And I'll just have to keep an eye out and see if we get any chickens that'll go up there and lay any eggs. May just end up being a roosting spot. I don't know. Well, I'm curious whether the tire worked for eggs, so I'm walking out here a little earlier than normal just to see it. I got one hen over there. Got an egg here. I got an egg. Yay! Guess I better leave things alone right now so that chicken will do her business. But it looks like that worked. All right, chicken people, maybe you can help me. I have 3 parts to my chicken compound here. This one here, over here on this end, it only has about 5 hens, and they lay really good. I get around 4 eggs every day. The center are the young ones, so I don't get anything from them yet. Over here, the biggest one I've got here, it has about 10 to 12 hens, but suddenly I'm only getting about 3 eggs a day. This has been going on now for, well, about a week and a half. I don't know what's going on because they're still laying well, but they're not. They're healthy chickens. So any ideas? Let me know. As I'm walking, this is what I about step on. Now I'm not gonna make it go anywhere because I know it's friendly, but boy, it's a long one. I'm sure it's keeping some of the rodent population down, along with the cats. Hopefully the cats don't see it, because cats will kill it. Hi there. I got my little partner, Corbin, here, and we went out and we were looking for some pawpaws, and we found some, didn't we? Yeah. So this is what a pawpaw looks like, and this one's pretty ripe. It's got a little bit of a yellowish cast to it, and we're going to actually open this up so that you can see what it looks like. Reason why I'm going ahead and opening this one up is because we had to shake it from the tree and it fell, and so now it's getting just a little bit mushy because it is so ripe. So I'm going to cut a piece out of it so that you can see what it looks like. And this is the fruit part that you can eat. Now Corbin's never had it, but Corbin likes bananas, don't you? Will you try that? He says nope. Yep, it's kind of like a banana. And then I wanted to show you the seeds, which is a little bit more difficult. Alrighty here. I can pull one out. Pawpaws usually have quite a few seeds in that fleshy part. And here's one of the seeds. So what you can actually do with these, get a little bit more there. I dropped the seed. Give me just a second. All right, what you can do with these seeds are you can wrap them up nicely, and you can stick them in the refrigerator through the winter time, and then come springtime you can plant these. Now they are not fast growing. It takes a while for them to do that, and but I successfully did some last year. But they have to be refrigerated. They have to go like through a winter process in order for them to be good. And so I'll be collecting these seeds and we'll try some more. Do you want to try some now? Nope. He's not going to try it. That's okay. Thank you for helping me today. Okay, well, Corbin here, he's standing by a small pawpaw tree. And you can see how big the leaves are up next to him. They're pretty big leaves. Now that's, like I said, a small one. They get much taller. And we have some that are very, very tall. But I've got a hillside of pawpaws. Now, even though we've got lots and lots of pawpaw trees, not a lot of them bore fruit this year, but we had kind of a dry spring. We're gonna go show you now the little ones that we planted earlier this spring. Okay, well, Corbin here, he's showing you our little pawpaw tree. This is, between 6 and 8 inches tall. Notice that it's really healthy. It grew its leaves, and this all started from one of those seeds. A lot of people have trouble doing it that way, but
I need to drink.
It works. And as you can see, I got a few more coming on. And then down here, you can see there are a couple of them that still, even after all this time, the seeds are just now sprouting. So some of them take a long time.
Yeah.
Almost half a year there.
You can
So try it out. It's pretty nice.
Just doing a quick update on the trees we planted. These two are the two plums that we did, the red plum and the green plum. And this one's actually starting to produce leaves already. So we're pretty sure this in here, the roots are growing good. I mean, they all still look like they're alive. And then we also, yesterday I went out, I went out and got some clippings from the wild persimmon, and also took some clippings from our jumbo persimmon we got out back of the house. So got 4 of each on them. So I know somebody was saying that they wanted to buy some, plus it wouldn't hurt to have more for future years. So I'll probably plant some around the farm and sell some. So
now these are wild persimmons. They're not going to get as big as the ones that are at site 2, but there's quite a few on them. They're going to be harder to get. And then we come across a tree that had these little berries on them. I'm wondering if they're elderberry, but we're going to check it out and see what we can find out.
thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.